Hey everyone, I'm Kathy Alt with Kathy Stampin' World, and it is another Friday. That means it's another Funfold Friday. I'm so glad you're here with me. If this is your first time here, by all means, let me know where you're listening from. If you are returning, hey, thank you for returning. I love having conversation with you too. So let me know what's going on. We have a beautiful fall day today. And hey, I have been stamping Christmas non-stop. And I got to thinking, oh, Thanksgiving is a couple weeks away. What have I got prepared for that? And not a lot. So today I am doing something, you can change it out to be Christmas. You can change it out to be birthday. You can change it out to be anything. But I think I am going to use this actually for my place card settings at Thanksgiving. So it's pretty exciting. So we are stamping a gift a gift box card, I think is what I called it. Again, naming it, whatever. All right, so let's get some business done. First of all, if you are not familiar and you would like to receive the directions with all the dimensions, the way you get that is through my newsletter. I send that out every week following the Friday with the tutorial, PDF tutorial, so you can have it all. You can print them out and keep them, and then you'll have a whole library for yourself. You just have to sign up for my newsletter that way. You'll also get the card recipe for my live stamping on Wednesdays at 10 a.m. Central, so you can get all that. Now, if you'd like to have the setups for all four of the fun folds for this month, all you have to do is place an order and use this host code, and I will actually send you the pre-cut supplies with the PDF so that you can make each of these fun folds. Now, if you'd rather, you can choose this month to get 10 hand stamped cards. But if you're a fun fold nut like I am, you're probably going to want to make the cards. So it's up to you which you would like. I'll contact you after you make your purchase and use the host code and see what you like. All right, so I think that's the business right there. Newsletter, host code. Yeah, let's get rid of this stuff. And we are ready to go. By the way, one more thing. Today, if you're watching on Friday the 15th, is the last day of the annual catalog annual sale. So remember your DSP, your papers, all the stamp sets, their bundles, they're on sale. So go in and check that out. It would be a great time to order. Okay, so the set I'm using today is Autumn Expressions. And we are, oh, no. There we go. Hello. Okay, is the Autumn Expressions bundle. I've used this before. It has some great dies with it. Again, remember I said I want to do a little Thanksgiving. So it's still fall. It's not Christmas yet. Not yet. Even though, you know, I'm kind of in that Christmas mood already. We are using the occasions. Oh, crap. Shoot. Iconic Celebrations. DSP, again, this is my second load of this because, you know, I ran out of the fall a while back, so I had to get some more. So, you know, that's what I'm using today. I have all my pieces pre-cut. So you can see this is why you want to get those card setups, because looky, these are all the pieces that you need. So yeah. Okay, so let's do a little different view here so you can see this better. Get rid of me. Yeah, that's better. All right, again, I don't know. Lighting likes to bop in and out. See that? Bop in and out. Love it. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we are going to start with our standard card, and we're going to fold that in half. So 8.5 by 11, folded in half. Okay, now we are going to take our paper cutter and we are going to place the folded side. I'm going to try and get this so you can see it. The folded side into our paper cutter so that it is at, I've got my directions here. I don't want to mess these up today. So that it is at 1 inch. Now, what I am going to do is I am going to cut from the edge. So here it is at 1 inch. Okay. I am going to cut from the edge to 2 1/4. So here I go, from the edge to 2 1/4. Yep, should have wore those reading glasses every time. All right, I'm going to leave that there and very carefully just move this over to 3 inches, put it back, and I'm going to go back. Okay, look at that. See that? All right, now I'm going to turn it so that it is at 2 1/4. I'm going to go out to my 3 inch line, and I'm going to come into my 1 inch line. Now, if you look, I didn't do so well. That's all right. There we go. Now we got it. Okay. So you can see I just cut that out, and I'm going to put it on the right-hand side. There we go. Just like that. You just had to tug. It's no big deal. Okay, I am not done with this yet. All right. So that's my card base. I'm going to set that aside. The next thing I want to do is come in with a full sheet of 6x6 DSP. We're going to put the cutter away there, and we are going to score each of these. We're just making a simple box. So the way you do that with the 6x6 is we're going to score at 2 inches all the way around. 2 inches all the way around. So here we go. 2 and 2. All right. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and fold these over, all of my fold lines, so they're nice and crisp. Okay. And once you make one of these, it's really easy. So, all right. Now, I'm going to choose opposite sides, and I'm just going to cut into on my score lines here on 2 of the sides. So 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Okay. I'm going to put that together in just a minute. Well, actually, I'll put it together now. By the way, I am prepared. I have a tape runner ready to go. I think I'm going to run out of tape as we go along. I am going to use a lot of adhesive today because we're making a box. We want it to, stay together, right? So, no yelling that I used too much adhesive today. And it really does come together very simply. So we've got this one, and then we are going to do these 2. Can I make it look any more awkward today? I think I can if I try. Oh, I think we might be running out. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I can make it look more awkward if I try. Okay. All right. Here we go. Folding it in, and then one more. Last one. Now we're going to follow this same style, and we're going to make a lid. Cute little box. All right. So now what I have is I have a 3.5 by 3.5, And we are going to score this on over at the 3/4 mark all the way around. Oops. So, let me bring it up so it's on the thing here. 3/4. When I was making a trial run of this, I had to redo my lid. I don't know how many times because I mismeasured 3/4. Again, it's called reading glasses, Kath. You know, all you gotta do is put those on. It would be smart of me. But again, I think they're downstairs, and that would require an extra trip downstairs. So, no, not happening. All right, I'm done with my paper cutter and score. Okay. Let's fold first. Makes life easier. Less folding that way. Again, choose 2 sides up to the scoring mark. 2 sides. 1 and 2. All right, and we're just gonna bring it in. Plenty of adhesive, plenty. I'm going to be smart this time. Check this out. I'll do them all and I won't make it look so bad. Okay. All right. Now we will this here. Holding them on. Liquid glue would work as well. Your sticky strip would work as well. Nice, solid adhesives. Okay, now I think I'm going to fill these with like dinner mints or, you know, something, peppermints or something for after dinner. Going to put that on. I am going to go ahead and I want to dress that one up just a little bit. So I am using the beige ribbon and I will just, I want it this way. I'm just going to bring my ribbon around and tie a little knot. I don't want to make it too complex. I just want to make it so they can slide it off. Okay. That wasn't a great cut, but that's all right. I'll trim it here in a minute. Okay, so now let's trim that down, make it look good. Yay. Okay. All right, so now we've got our box. Cute. Okay, now all that's left is to decorate because here's what we're going to do. So these are the dimensions I don't have in my head. This is why you want the newsletter subscription, so you get those dimensions from me, or you can calculate it out. But I decided, and you can do this so many different ways on the front here. But I decided I liked the paper piecing technique, and I'll show you why, because I wanted it to say grateful for you on the front. And there we go. Uh-oh, where's my other little piece? Ah! Oh, there it is. Yeah. Okay. Whew. That was scary. I'm like, I know I'm prepared today. I know it. All right, there we go. So that's the paper piecing front. Now, what I have done is I have gone in, I have stamped grateful for you, and I have cut it out. I stamped it in the Mellow Moss. All right. And then I stamped the wheat in the Cajun Craze that I used and cut it out with the dies. So this has a matching die in the set right there. And then I cut 2 of those leaves. So we're going to put this together to make it look pretty. I like to kind of weave them through if I can, like that. And maybe one like, in the back, I think. Okay. Like some, there we go. And then I'm going to put this right about here. Let me see if I've got this. Oh, yeah, absolutely. Okay, so this is going to go flat, and then I'm going to pop off my Grateful for You. And we will just put some dimensionals on the back of that. Now, those of you that order and choose to get the Fun Folds cards, you may, just may, get a setup for Christmas so that you can use it for Christmas. Your DSP may come that way. So just heading you off because I think I have 15 coming for Thanksgiving. So yeah, we got a lot of paper to use. Okay, check that out. Grateful for You. Now, here's where the magic happens. We're going to slide our box right inside. Okay, whoops. And then we're going to spread the card open. Okay, so it's going to stand. Let me show you what it looks like, though. It's going to stand open like this. Oh, maybe if I centered it, it would stand even better. It is snug. You want it to be snug. You don't want it falling out. Okay. All right. Now let me decorate it just a little bit more. I want to put some more into it. So I'm just going to take some of these cute little things here and add them up here just to spice it up a little bit. And there you have it. That is today's project. So that is the box, gift box card. And like I said, I think that is going to make an adorable place card holder. What do you think? What do you think? So one more time, if you would like to receive the directions for this, all you have to do is subscribe to my newsletter. If you would like my 4 Fun Fold cards, notice I'm saying 4, and there's 5 Fridays this month. I don't think I will be folding on Thanksgiving week. So I think I'm going to take the holiday off on that one. But I'll probably have some video or something for you. But there'll be 4 Fun Folds that would come to you with a $35 order. And there's the host code that you can use. Or you can choose 10 hand stamp cards. It's up to you. But if you would like to get the pieces cut and the directions for all of these with that order, you will get that if you use that host code. So, all right, don't forget today's last day of the sale. And I think that's it. So until I stamp with you again, which will be next Wednesday, or earlier if you're coming to class tomorrow or whatever. So happy stamping. Have a great weekend and see you soon. Bye.